We're going to discuss about the flower sex and plant sex in reproductive morphology, in plant morphology and taxonomy of Angiosperm. So flower sex. Flower sex refers to the presence or absence of androecium and gynoecium within a flower. So the androecium and gynoecium are the essential parts of the flower. If any one is absent, that is androecium or gynoecium, in this any one is absent, you can determine the flower is a male flower or a female flower. So that one we going to discuss here. And the flower is, that is the flower sex is differentiated into perfect or bisexual flower, imperfect or unisexual flower. So we will see the perfect or bisexual flower. Perfect flower. If a flower contains both androecium and gynoecium, it is called as perfect flower. So you can see in this flower, you can see the carpel. The carpel is nothing but the gynoecium and the stamen represents the androecium. So both the sex organs are present in a flower. Then that flower is called perfect flower or bisexual flower. Imperfect or unisexual. So when the flower contains only one of the essential whorl is called imperfect and it is of two types. So that is the essential whorl, androecium or gynoecium. So any one is present in a single flower. So if gynoecium was present, then that flower is called female flower. And if androecium is present, then that flower is called male flower. So based on that, it is divided into two types, staminate flower and pistillate flower. Staminate flower. So the flower which has androecium, only the androecium, the stamens are seen here in this picture. So this flower is a staminate flower. So if the flower contains only the gynoecium, that is the essential part, gynoecium is present, then that flower is said to be female flower or pistillate flower. Plant sex. So plant sex refers to the presence and distribution of flowers with different sexes in an individual. So how the flower sex is determined? Like this, here the distribution of flowers determine the plant sex. Okay. Hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means, that is bisexual flower is called as an hermaphrodite. So the presence of male and female sex organs in a flower, that is in a plant, it is called hermaphrodite plant. You can see here the male and female parts of the flower. So then this plant is called as a bisexual plant. So it is called as hermaphrodite. So hermaphrodite means the male and female sex organs is present in the same organism. It may be an animal or it may be a plant. Then that is known as hermaphrodite. Monoecious. Monoecious means both male and female flower are present in the same plant. So this is the male flower and this is the female flower present in a single plant, in the same plant. So the male and female sex flowers, not the sex organs, the male and the female flowers are present in the same plant. Then it is called monoecious. Example, coconut. In coconut, you can see this is like this only it have. In the upper portion, you have the male flower and lower you can see a small, the coconut like, the small tender coconut like structure, that is called the female flower. Okay. So that is in a single plant, that is in the same plant you can see the male and female sex organ. Then that plant is called monoecious. Dioecious. The male and female flowers are present on separate plants. Example, papaya, palmyra. So you can see the male plant and female plant. So different male plants. So the male plant possesses male flowers. Okay. And the female plant possesses female plant. That is, the female flower is seen in the female plant. So that you can see in papaya and palm tree. Okay. Polygamous. This condition in which the bisexual and unisexual flowers occur in the same plant, it is called as polygamous. Example, Musa and Magnifera. So in the same flower, you can see, that is in the same plant, not in the same flower. In the same plant, you can see the bisexual flower and the unisexual, that is pistillate and staminate flowers. So pistillate and staminate flowers you can see in the Musa. Musa is a banana. So in Musa, the bract you can see the three types of flowers, that is pistillate, staminate and bisexual flowers. So three types of flowers are present in the same plant, then it is called polygamous. Even Magnifera, that is mango, also polygamous flower only. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.